Hello, welcome to Geo Infofy YouTube channel. If you not subscribed, please subscribe, click the bell icon, update the new videos. Today we are seeing an interesting topic about the articles rewriters.
Website www.geoinfopint.com, so you can see our website update on videos and useful events. Article Rewriter is a part of software that is able to reword
Or a piece of content such as an article rewriter. It can use to rewrite something else of content or your own content and make it unique of enough to pass and copy. Also you can do like you can see some software related that unique whatever using for famously.
So what do you mean by article rewriters? Article rewriter is the part of software that is able to record the piece of content as an article rewriter. It can use to rewritable something else to contents, or your content should be make unique enough of past the copy spaces. For example, if you want to, you can do. For example, you write one sentence is there. If you, that sentence and if you want to change the words, you can usually change it using for some software. First, you can see one by one. We'll see some softwares recording how in online is there, some payment is there, some free. The best spinner. The best spinner. This is one of the software. This is one of the most smallest article spinner. This is tool is for them through which you can rewrite your contents, whatever the simple size you click the articles and intelligent based article rewrite the sentence. Human readable contents like is there if you want to do. And this is main feature is for this article spinner is 14 language can support their best spinner and publish to for them. WordPress is there and blog is also is there. In this article spinner is tool is very content way of doing. For example, you can match for the originality content also. And same time 100% best spinner for them can utilize for them. This one too you can free payment method is there if you want to minimum 5,000 something is there. Otherwise you can trial version can use also. So you can do for the this best spinner for that. Second one we are seeing to clever spinner, cheapest of content of spinner software. This is also one of the best software you can see for them clever spinner. This software is mainly for the this also portable best article spinner rewritable for them. This artificial intelligence natural language processing is there, spinning process also is there, human right is there. Is automatically rewrite the content both versions there is main feature for them. And choose the synapses and then choose the right synapses you can do for them. And good English skills also and web-based rewrite contents very fastly for them. One of the uploader rewritable multiple tests you can API and some etc. You can utilize for them. 3 days you can use for 100% free trial version also. If you want to pay you can pay also. You can utilize for them this also. Next one is spin rewriter, best rewriter software. This also if you want to before you go on for them you can register for them. Spin rewriter is this also you want to enter with your email ID here. 5 days trial version is the free bonus also is there and database 80 billion of YouTube also is there and same time free account you can access the site also there. This also monthly yearly lifetime package also, so you can side by side you can compare the original content and same time your photos in you can utilize all devices you can all devices and stylish whatever there you can utilize for them. This is very nice for them. Fourth one is for them. This is another one is the best real article spinner software. This is you can see here how they're utilizing for them. So you can also bench spinner article is you can for the spinner is a potentially create the number of unique articles within few seconds you can do for them. If you want to you can do for them. This also very artificial intelligence is utilizing analyzing for technique is this is one of the best one article spinner tools. This is a desktop vision also it's a web vision also you can use for them. And this is a sixth spinner say six web version is there, not only working with Windows PC but also Android, iPad, Mac, whatever there, etc. You can for them you purchase according to your questions. This article spinner is open to functionally, grammatically any mistakes automatically they correct it. Whatever there they can extra try is there. This also spinner is six free vision is there as well. You can utilize for spinner and payment method also there you can use for them. Next one is for them We can go for next one. Before, if you want to see anything, you can see here how they changes, whatever they do, everything is that you go and visit this website and can see for everything. Next one is we can see for Chimpy Regrade. This also try to, you can free, you can try it for them, and if you want to pay, you can pay for them. This is also test rewrite it. Artificial intelligence also is a natural language is there, and sentence human readable like is there. This also same like any algorithm is there, the free content is there, and same time nspin nspin is master premaritic word group is there, another spin is a sublack director is there, random is there, order is there, and so etc. So much is there, Italian, so many languages the tools is are supported. Then and same time SEO content magazine is there, GSA searching engine is there, and content magazine is there, WP robots is there, and ultimate demons of mans is there. There's all things is there. As a researcher, you can help so much of that. This also monthly yearly plan is there. You can utilize for them. Next we can go for another software. Actually, I tell them one thing: if you have writing any research process, you can do research. You can very helpful for this article. This softwares are very helpful to you. You can online. You can do for them. So you will never do any mistakes. It's very helpful. Next one is for the bad eye. This also leading content of spinning software. This is automatically creating a quality of content. For example, used artificial intelligence like say, automatically they can do for them. The human likes their writer, everything is can. It's also log in. You can use 3 days. You can use for trial vision. You can utilize for them. And this also you can sign monthly term, everything is this article also. For example, you can searching engine is there, you can pick up the synapses, idioms likes whatever there you can use for them, and brain artificial intelligence etc. So many languages supported are monthly yearly packages there, so many server. Next one is we are seeing article rewriter tools, article rewriter tools by small SEO tools. This also one of things you can plagiarism can you check it also, and same time you can, this is one of the popular free article spinner software. Automatically software technical rewritable content is changed to work to content is managed content for them. The tools is specifically designed content of writer, webmaster is there, placker also order is there, and content you can utilize for article rewriters person, you can freely you can utilize for them, and you can check it. If you want to anything, you discuss, put on description links, I will be answering how can do for them, I can show the demo also. If you visit my channel, you can update so many research related articles, upcoming videos will become, you can utilize. But this is one of the best spinner articles I told already, and truthful I can, I'm my personally I can utilize for them, so very helpful for me also. So this is very helpful for them, and same many upcoming videos I can upload for the some others. For example, your grammatic mistakes or writing letters whatever there, oh, you can see for them. This also one of the most next last, but you can test here. For example, you can paste it here. For example, you can check here, you can given for them I am not robot, that automatically changes for here. So spin software also is there, one of them. For example, I will show you one thing. So for example, I copy this sentence. For example, I copy this sentence down, I am not robot, you can select for them, and after finishing you can give for okay. I think you give okay. Now we say let's see what's happening. You see here immediately change it, and then everything happening for them. Example I show here, you see here, if for example for help bank maybe we use like this written, but here you say our service in the bank may be created several problems there. Mobile app is suddenly not working like here written. You see here mobile app is out of October not working suitable on Android phone like this sir. So that's like very helpful for you, and we show you on demo also for you. Upcoming is next is continuation video, I will show you part 2, you can see and watch, and some other free softwares also will show you, and with a demo also I'm showing you. Thank you. Let's me follow us on social media network and stay with me and follow with me on YouTube and website and Instagram, Twitter and Facebook.